Give your Honda Accord a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed custom fit seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. We offer 2 rear seat set options. We have a solid backrest cover design, and we have a split backrest cover design if your vehicle's backrest is a 60-40 split. Both options come with a solid bench seat bottom. Begin by removing the headrests and slipping the backrest cover over each seat. Make sure to pull firmly down and around the seat. Next, insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side and tuck in the fabric. From the back side, pull the straps through the crevice and using the adhesive hook and loop sides, fasten the straps to the back of the seat. Next, place the seat bottom covers on both seats. Then insert the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric into the crevice. Now use the 2 foam push bars on each side of the seat bottom and insert them into the crevice of the seat base to secure the cover. And tuck the fabric into the crevice. Next, from the front of the seat, you will stretch the straps underneath the seat bottom. From the back side, pull the straps out from under the seat and connect them to the buckle clips. Then adjust, tighten, and secure underneath the seat bottom. Now peel off the fabric from the 2 straps. And using the hook and loop adhesive side, fasten the straps to the back of the seat, pressing down firmly to secure. Then tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Now lift the center console lid and attach the center console cover by slipping the elastic loop around the lid. Then secure the cover around the center console and tuck in. Next, remove the rear headrests. Starting on the passenger side, release the seatbelt strap and slide the strap around the backrest. First, you will need to install the left and right side bolster covers. You will notice that the bolster cover has a push clip at the top. Insert the clip into the crevice at the top. Now you will notice an adhesive strip on one side. Make sure to remove the fabric from the adhesive side, then fasten the fabric to the bolster. On the other side, insert the push clip into the side of the crevice of the molding. And then tuck all the fabric in. Now recline the passenger rear backrest and then slip on the backrest cover, making sure to line up the cutouts with the controls. Tuck the fabric around the headrest base and seat controls. Then fold the backrest completely down and begin to fasten the hook and loop straps onto the back side, one by one. Next, recline the driver's side rear backrest and slip on the cover. Repeat the same steps, fastening the straps around the back side. Now make sure the backrests are in an upright position. Then insert all the bottom straps of both the backrest sections into the crevice. From the trunk area, where the backrest sections meet, unsnap the center panel so you have entry through the crevice of the seats. Then pull the straps up from the crevice and fasten them along the back side one by one, using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Now place the backrest sections back in an upright position and reattach the seatbelt. Next, pop up the rear bench seat bottom by pulling upward on both the left and right sides. The metal bracket will be released from the plastic insert, and the bench bottom can be popped up and released from the base. Now begin stretching the rear bottom cover over the bench seat, making sure to line up the cutouts with the controls. Then insert all 5 straps into the seat crevice. Next, flip the seat upward to reveal the underside. Then pull the straps out from under the seat and begin connecting them one by one to the buckle clips. Adjust, tighten, and secure. Now pop the bench bottom back into position and tuck all the fabric around the seat controls. And finally, recline the backrest sections, reinsert the headrests, and slip on the headrest covers. That's it! Mission accomplished! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.